The iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max have been the subject of widespread leaks and speculation, with reports suggesting a major design overhaul. The latest renders by Sony Dixon showcase a striking shift towards a large camera bar, a departure from Apple's traditional design approach. Initially met with skepticism, this claim has gained credibility as renowned sources like Sony and Majin Buu now support the design. Interestingly, Majin Buu, who previously dismissed a similar leak from John Prosser, has since reconsidered, reinforcing the likelihood of this redesign. Despite this growing consensus, some experts remain cautious, pointing out that CAD drawings, while compelling, can be created by anyone with modeling expertise. Many analysts are waiting for confirmation from more authoritative sources, such as Ming-Chi Kuo or Mark Gurman. Beyond the new camera module's size, an exciting detail has caught the attention of analysts: the presence of an unexplained blank space within the setup. Positioned between the lenses and sensors, this empty area has sparked speculation that Apple might introduce a secondary display for quick notifications or selfie assistance, similar to past smartphones with rear-facing screens. While no direct leaks confirm this feature, Apple has a history of surprising innovations, as seen with the dynamic island. Even if this idea doesn't materialize in the iPhone 17 series, it could be an early indication of what's to come in future models like the iPhone 18. Alongside design changes, Apple is reportedly making significant hardware upgrades. According to 9to5 Mac, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will be equipped with 12 GB of RAM, a notable jump from the current 8 GB models. Analyst Jeff Pugh of GFHK Tech Research highlights that this upgrade is expected to drive a 3.5% year-over-year increase in smartphone DRAM content across approximately 100 million new iPhone units. As AI-driven features continue to evolve, this increase in RAM aligns with Apple's broader strategy to enhance Apple Intelligence. In addition to performance improvements, Apple is making significant strides in wireless technology. Ming-Chi Kuo reports that all iPhone 17 models will feature Apple's first self-developed Wi-Fi chip, replacing the Broadcom chips currently in use. This move mirrors Apple's ongoing effort to develop key connectivity components in-house, a strategy previously seen with its in-house 5G modem debuting in the iPhone 16e. While the iPhone 17 Air is expected to feature both Apple's Wi-Fi chip and the C1 modem, the standard iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max will continue relying on Qualcomm modems alongside Apple's Wi-Fi solution. Apple is expected to officially unveil the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max in early to mid-September 2025. If past trends hold, pre-orders should open shortly after the announcement, with official sales beginning within 10 to 14 days. Pricing, however, remains uncertain due to potential tariff fluctuations, particularly those affecting imports from China and India. If no significant cost changes arise, the base model of the iPhone 17 Pro is likely to retain its familiar $999 price point for the 128GB variant.